This brand is made in Mexico by Nordyne, which is a subsidiary of Nortec Global HVAC, and the units are only available through their dealer network in the USA. The brand features aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion, but they are less durable than brands that use stainless steel. The furnaces use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. Their smart light control learns the operating characteristics of the system and adjusts the igniter warm-up time to extend its life. The brand is backed by a good warranty that includes total furnace replacement if the heat exchanger fails within 10 years of system installation. The FG7SD model is a basic 95% AFUE efficient furnace with a fixed-speed blower motor that uses basic PSC motor technology, which is not as durable or energy efficient as ECM motors, while the FG7TE is a premium 2-stage furnace with a fixed-speed blower motor. The FG7TC is a premium 2-stage gas furnace with a variable speed ECM blower motor for more quiet and efficient operation. All of the furnaces have a low-profile cabinet to allow them to fit into tight spaces, but the brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.